Hey everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli and welcome to the Heritage Market Minute for Monday, April 5th, 2021. We all hope you had a great weekend and a great holiday. So let's get down to the markets and see what we have driving the action here today. So we had a market moving event on Friday with the report of the monthly jobs totals, adding 916,000 jobs, well above expectations. But with the market closed for Good Friday, today is the first day the markets have had an opportunity to react. And so far, it looks like they like what they saw. What's even more important, with the jobs number that came in well above expectations, there was some concerns that that pesky 10-year yield we keep talking about was going to move higher and do so swiftly. And that wouldn't have been great for growth in tech stocks, as we've seen over the last month. Well, we're happy to see that yields have not only stayed at a very reasonable plateau here, they've actually backed off a little bit, trading lower today. So that tells us market participants are realizing that we can have explosive job growth without expecting inflation to pick up in the near future. The Nasdaq has regained its leadership of the market as of right now. The last couple days, we have started to see that index outperform. And if you've been keeping up with us, you know that is something that we like to see because we think the most sustainable rallies are the ones that are led by tech. That is where most of the innovation is happening in these markets. And we think the market is finally coming around to realize that a 10-year yield at 1.6 or 1.7 or even 2% is not restrictive and will not hurt growth in some of the best companies in the marketplace. Taking a look at the economic calendar this week, there's really not a lot to grab the attention of the markets. No Federal Reserve speakers, no major press conferences. And with that said, we're about 2 weeks out from another earnings season, which is very important for us to take a look at some of the results that come in and compare them against our investment theses and see if the recovery that we believe is underway continues to take hold. Looking at our high frequency data, we continue to see an uptick in air travel, which tells us that mobility is on the rise, and mobility means that people have confidence to go about their business, to travel again. And as we start to see air travel come back, we expect to see other areas of the economy that are sensitive like that, like travel and leisure, hotels, entertainment, things like that, come back as well. The vaccine continues to push ahead at a very impressive pace. I think they're talking about 2.5, 3 million doses being administered per day. So we want to continue to see that trend persist and we can get ourselves out on the other side of this pandemic. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. But again, we like to see the NASDAQ leadership. We want to see tech lead the market. Semiconductors lead tech, tech leads the market, and those we think are the most sustainable rallies. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be back on Friday with the Heritage Market Pulse. Have a great day, and we will see you soon.